Then how the reindeer loved him as they shouted out with glee. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history. You'll go down in history. Hey, Julianne, it's Jennifer. I did not mail Christmas cards this year or holiday cards. So I'm going ahead and making a few video cards for people I like. I just wanted to say that I'm so happy we met. It was very, very kind of you to pass my stuff along to XO Jane, and they've been really wonderful. But it would not have happened without you, so I want to thank you. Also, I really admire your writing, and your tweets are funny as fuck. So I'm really glad we met. I hope that your holiday is super great and that 2012 ends up being your best year yet. But I see that happening for you, so it's cool. Again, thanks so much, and I'm really glad to know you. Bye.